At some point or another, you're going to need to get your jewelry repaired. Whether you got your piece from our store or somewhere else entirely, we're happy to make any repairs and bring out the best in it so you can enjoy your jewelry for years to come. It starts with a simple meeting with any of our design experts. We've seen it all over the past 40 years of designing and crafting fine jewelry. No job is too big or too small for us to handle, so you can be confident that your piece is in the right hands. After we do our inspection, you'll be told just how we're going to return your jewelry to its original greatness. You don't have to be an expert in jewelry making, but we love helping you understand our process so you can learn more about what makes your piece so unique. When it's time for the repair, your piece is brought just down the stairs to our workshop. Your jewelry will never leave our shop, as we do all of our repairs in-house. You can't miss our master craftsmen hard at work constructing new pieces, refurbishing old works, and soon they'll have your piece at their bench in the spotlight and ready to shine again. You may need stones reset, prongs rebuilt, entire cracks repaired, or something as simple as a polish and cleanup. We're more than prepared to handle whatever project comes our way, and you can watch our masters in action. Once all repairs are made, your piece will be cleaned, polished, and steamed so that any traces of work vanish entirely. It will look as good as new. Your jewelry will undergo one last inspection to ensure perfection, and you'll be notified that it's ready for pickup at your convenience. We pride ourselves not only in our ability to create virtually anything you desire, but to make your favorite pieces look and feel as amazing as the day you bought them. See for yourself why we've been trusted for decades, and remember that at Jewelry Designs, you'll find the quality of our work exceeds all expectations. We hope to see you soon.